You have to teach mind like kindergarten child. Never say that I am just deciding today, I will not do it. It will not work. We have to teach mind repeatedly, that's all. This is a very important point. As blind-minded habit is to create fear. By creating fear, blind mind realizes work can be done easily. But we cannot do work properly in fear atmosphere. Therefore, blind mind needs teaching. If you have to do something, slowly, start doing that thing repeatedly. Then one day, blind mind will follow it. Blind mind will accept it. This is the important point. The best thing, practice every day, that blind mind should be habitual of practice. Blind mind should not live without practice. If by repeated effort we are able to create this atmosphere, habitual practice of Kriya Yoga meditation, then blind mind always will support whatever we will do. Therefore, it needs repeated practice. In the beginning, we should do many times in 24 hours, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, every hour. Have awareness all the time that the philosophy of Kriya Yoga should be active and alive within all the time. We should not forget it. Then you will find everything will be very easy. Practice is very simple. You have to bring attention from outward on head to toes. You can convince mind head to toes, it is very important. Without this, we cannot have any external affairs. Therefore, let us join head to toes. Request mind to feel each and every part of head to toes. Still mind is going away, but some percentage of concentration of mind should be on head to toes. Slowly it will increase. A time will come, you will have perfect focus on head to toes and you will ignore outward activities. Then that is not enough. This is just started. Now we are on the platform of Kriya Yoga meditation. When you feel head to toes, you will find many changes within head to toes. Then mind is engaged in that. Mind nature is to say good and bad. Then we will say changes, pain or pleasure, comfort or discomfort. Oh, this is allergy. Oh, that is allergy. Oh, this is not good. What is happening this? Why it is red? Why it is black? Always mind is engaged on head to toes and not liking many things. But teach mind every day, sincerely. Each and every organ is purest of pure. Each and every organ is condensed power, knowledge, peace, joy. And within, we will find all things. We want to see Mahatar Babaji. You will find within our own self. Try to look outward, we cannot see. Within our breath, within head to toes, within our changes, you will find Yogeshwar Krishna. You will find Bhagavan Ram, Mahatar Baba, Lahiri Mahashaya, anyone, Jesus Christ, anyone, Moses, anyone. Then mind will start accepting all changes, because changes are very important. Within each change there exists all things. Then mind will start accepting it. Then after that, this is not sufficient. Then every day mind will feel new set of changes. Each and every moment new varieties of changes. Then mind is working devotedly. But this is not end. Keep on practicing, then mind will realize head to toes is like a sky having no weight. Head to toes is like air. It is like moving. Fingers are moving like air. Whole body is moving. Then head to toes is like light waves, radiations. Head to toes is compact sound waves. Head to toes is like liquid structure. As you can imagine, body of water. Arms are made up of water. This is not end. This is just you will feel it. The moment we start feeling it, then mind is having great fear. Something is bad happening. I may die. Because mind realization that death exists. Birth and death perception is perception of blind mind and wisdom, reasoning power. Both perceives life and death. There is a great power of death. Therefore, whenever we feel new set of changes, which you cannot imagine, then we develop fear. Okay, all right, do not worry. Hold the philosophy and principle. Each and every change, whatever we feel, is purest of pure, is power, knowledge, peace, joy. Keep on practicing it. Then one day we will realize, yes, it is true. Head to toes is knowledge, is power, is peace, is joy. Then practice goes deeper without any hindrance. Then we will realize now we do not need breath. When I was breathing, the life was limited. Now I do not breathe, life expanded. Before we were realizing that we need blood for survival. Now we realize we do not need blood. Heartbeat stops, blood flow stops. And we feel life expanded. This we realize, then body appears like a dead body, very cool like a dead body, everything. But this is not end. Keep on practicing, keep on practicing. Then you will realize same thing. When we realize life is expanded when there is no breath, then you will feel same thing when there is a breathing also. Life is expanded when there is no heartbeat. Then one day you will realize in the process of beating of heart also, you will feel life expanded. And that is not the end. Keep on practicing it. Then we will know science of creation, how to create bone, muscles, how to create body. This is not end. Then you will know how to make a change. Then you will learn how to create animals, to plant, and how to create a universe. The moment we learn how to create a universe and how to disperse it, then we realize there exists only one God alone. Then I no more. Then me and you no more. Only God exists. That is the supreme knowledge we get. Therefore, this is a continuous journey from ignorance to ultimate truth. Therefore, what is the result of this discussion? Practice every day, create a habit of practice. Never go to the bed in the night before practice. Then in the dream and deep sleep, we will evolve faster. When we are awake in the morning, start with the practice. Keep this autobiography of Yogi at the bed. I can say keep Bible or Srimad Bhagavad Gita, but we don't understand them. When you read Bhagavad Gita slok, we don't understand. We read Bible, we don't understand. Therefore, I request just keep autobiography of Yogi on your bed. Moment you are awake, immediately this will come and start reading few lines. Then realize within head to toes there is a million times more compact knowledge which is stored here in this book. Then have more devoted concentration on head to toes, tense legs, right leg, right arm, each and every part of head to toes. Then when you are now get up, start practicing when you are walking and have regular your activities, brushing the teeth and taking the bath, whatever you are doing, all the time feel head to toes. After that have sincere recharging practice. Then up to the initiation. This is how to start.